Hey everyone, you're watching Saki TV. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to make this fidget paper toy that moves forever. So, if you haven't watched my flexagon video, then there is link over here. So, without wasting time, let's get started. You will need a square paper, fold it in half just like this. After that, open this up, rotate the paper, repeat the same step, divide the paper in half. After that, flip the paper over and start to make diagonals. So take this point and match with this point. After that, open this up and repeat the same step over this side. After now, what you have to do is just fold like this. Now take this line and match with center line. Repeat the same step over this side also. Flip the paper over and repeat same on this side also. Now what you have to do is make 8 of such a pieces. So, and after that just insert inside here, inside this point. And twist it just like this. So now I just stack all these pieces together and doing the same step as we have done before. And just fold it like this and repeat the same step right on this side also. and then just fold everything, repeat so that you can have even shapes. So your model is ready. You can see how easy it is. And you can see it is a bit springy. I hope you enjoyed the video. Hit like if you are new to the channel, subscribe, and thanks for watching.